Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Miss Circle Voice. First, navigate to the official Miss Circle Voice generator website. You'll find a simple interface designed for quick text-to-speech conversion. Ensure your internet connection is stable for the best experience. We'll cover the initial setup and how to input your first piece of text. This guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow for everyone. Now, let's focus on getting your words into the system. Type or paste your script directly into the text area provided. Look for options to customize the voice, such as adjusting the speaking rate or changing the pitch slightly. These small tweaks can significantly enhance the final audio. Always use the preview function to hear how your text sounds before moving on to the next step. Once your text is entered and settings are adjusted, it's time to generate the audio. Simply click the Generate button, usually prominent on the interface. The system will process your request, which typically takes only a few seconds. After generation, a download link will appear. You can then save your Miss Circle Voice audio file, often in MP3 format, directly to your device for use. To get the most out of Miss Circle Voice, try experimenting with punctuation like commas and periods to control pauses and rhythm. For longer scripts, consider breaking them into smaller sections for easier management and better flow. This can help maintain a natural-sounding delivery. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating with Miss Circle Voice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.